She's indecisive. She can't decide. Hello everybody, welcome back to Making It Up. I'm Isa and I'm so happy to see you back here once again. Today I'm going to do something that's out of my comfort zone because if you remember at the beginning of the year I did a video talking about some of my 2022 goals when it comes to makeup and beauty, and one of them was getting out of my comfort zone, trying out new things, just playing with makeup, making it fun again, and that's exactly what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be playing with some new colors that I don't usually delve into, possibly not warm tones, and I'm just gonna be testing out some new color combos just for the sake of trying. I don't know if this is gonna be a successful look or not, but I'm excited. I'm excited to play and see what comes out of it and just have fun with makeup, because like if we can't have fun with makeup, then what is the point of anything, right? So if you want to join me on this journey of leaving my makeup comfort zone, and keep on watching because we're about to put some makeup on the face. Let's go. Okay, so my base is already done. I'm gonna get started with my eyes, and I'm just gonna be priming with my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. And whilst I do this, let's talk about what I'm gonna be trying out today. So I have been seeing silver everywhere. I am 100% a gold girl. You guys know I am into warm tones, but even with my jewelry and stuff, I'm not big on silver. But I've been seeing silver eyeshadow everywhere and it looks so cool. So that's exactly what I'm gonna be trying out today. Let me just set with some powder. I went into my collection to look for some silver eyeshadows and I found almost zero. Like I had to dig really deep and found one that would work, but I really don't own any silver, obviously, because I never wear silver, so why would I? But I really just want to try it out and test it. So the silver in question comes from the Urban Decay Electric palette. Old school palette. This is an oldie but a goodie. They don't make this one anymore. It's full of like vibrant colors and this color right here. So this is obviously the one that I'm going to be using. Ow. I'm going to be doing more of a one shadow look. So just silver all over the lid, kind of washed out. I think that would be cool, right? Because I'm experimenting. I don't want to go all out. I just want to test the waters. But before I do that, I think I'm just going to do a little bit of bronzer, hula, on my crease so that everything can blend better. So yeah, this is going to be more so a simple look. But I'm definitely going to be out of my comfort zone when it comes to the color. Moving on to the silver, I'm just going to be applying this with my finger all over my lid. Oh, okay, cool. And once that's secure, I'm just going to be taking like it's a flat brush, but I just want to like blend it up into the crease slightly. So the color is a little more sheer than I was expecting. I don't know if you're even going to be able to tell it. I have it on. But it is silver, right? Even though it's sheer. So, I mean, I guess it works. Okay, so I grabbed more of a fluffy brush to diffuse the color on the edges. And this definitely has that like gray undertone, which is exactly what doesn't convince me. I don't know, it feels weird to have that on my eye just there. But I don't hate it. I don't hate it. It could work, and I like how sparkly it is. I'm just gonna add another layer to this. I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty How Many Carats Diamond Veil, because this is kind of like a bluish silver color. And I'm just gonna be applying this on top just to intensify the glittery aspect, even though this doesn't need it. I kind of want to try it out. Oh yeah, this makes everything so much better. Okay, so this glitter definitely like intensified the look a little, like it made it more vibrant without adding more color or more darkness. So I appreciate that. I'm not sure if I love it though. I'm not sure if I love it. I'm leaving the lower lash line bare. I'm not adding anything other than that little bit of bronzer that I applied. I'm not entirely convinced with this, to be completely honest with you. I don't know if I love the color. I don't know if the color suits me. That's the whole thing. So, yeah, I don't know. Let's see if I can change my mind. I'm also, because this is all about getting out of our comfort zones, I'm also going to be trying to do some winged liner with a liquid liner. This is the Glossier Pro Tip. I haven't done this in so long, so this could go so wrong. Let's test it out. Let's try again, and if it doesn't work, we'll fix it. But for now, let's see how I do. Pray for me. Okay, side one done. Let's see how we do on the other side. The other side didn't turn out as we hoped it would. So I'm just gonna, you know what? I'm gonna do some cleaning, like just a little cleanup here, and then I'll finish with the eyes. Give me a second. Okay, tried to fix it as much as I could. It's definitely still looking a little rough, but it's fine. Who cares? I'm gonna do some mascara now. I'm using the e.l.f. Big Mood mascara. Hopefully this mascara always brings everything together and makes it look less bad. So let's hope that it works this time. As always, mascara saves the freaking day. I'm already liking this so much more with mascara on, to be completely honest with you. Now, I'm gonna move on to the face. As I mentioned, I already did my base, and my brows are already done as well. So all that's left to do is the cheeks and the lips. We're gonna do that quickly. So for my cheeks, you guys know I'm usually more of like a natural makeup kind of gal, and I do have more of a natural foundation on, but I wanna get a little bit more structured. I don't usually do, I go softer with my bronzer, and I don't usually contour. So today we're gonna contour a little bit. We're gonna switch it up. I'm gonna be layering a little bit. I'm gonna start with the Armani Beauty A Contour in the shade 20, and this is just a really like cool tone contour, but it is very soft and it's very natural. So we're gonna start with this as a base, and I'm gonna add this mainly to my cheekbones, and I'm placing the contour like really high up now. You know, you're used to doing it in the hollow. I like to place it like super high now. I never know how to contour my nose, so I literally just go boop, boop, boop everywhere. And then to intensify this, I'm gonna be using my Hoola bronzer, which is gonna serve like as my bronzer, but it's also cool enough to contour with. So we're gonna be using this one today. And again, I'm just placing it in the exact same spot. I'm just gonna do a little bit of cleanup under the contour with my Kosas Breezy Cloud Set powder, just making sure that we're as sharp as possible. For blush, you guys know I usually like to go for peachy blushes, warm tones. I'm all about that. We're gonna try more of a pink approach this time. Now, I don't really own any pink blushes. Quite literally, I am, you know, no pink blushes in my collection. This Nude Sticks Nudies Matte All Over Face blush color in Body Language, which is discontinued, is the pinkest that I get. So I'm gonna be applying this, and I might apply a little bit of the lipstick I'm gonna be wearing just to make it a little pinker, because you guys know I'm usually a warm tone gal, but we're going cool tone today. And again, I'm just trying to apply this like more so to the back than the apples. And yeah, I might apply just the tiniest bit of the lipstick I'm going to be using, which is the e.l.f. Sheer Select Lipstick in Dragon Fruit. I know, very out of my comfort zone. It's like literally fuchsia. And I'm just going to apply the teensiest bit to make this slightly pinkier, but I'm not going to go too hard. To add a little bit of highlighter, you guys know I'm not big into highlighter now. Again, we're playing with makeup, getting out of our comfort zones. I'm going to be using this Deck of Scarlet Mirror Glaze Highlighting Trio in Rosé All Day. They've gifted me these a long time ago, and I haven't used them as much as I wanted to. So this comes with like a little pot of liquid highlighter, and it's tinted, so it isn't the best to use just as a highlighter. So I'm gonna be using it as more of a blush topper, and it makes a little bit of a mess, so I have to be careful here. So just gonna grab the brush that comes with the highlighters. This is so good, such a good brush. I'm gonna pick some of the highlighter up on the brush, woohoo, and I'm gonna apply it like on top of the blush, but also where we apply highlighter. And this just has like an incredible, do you see that glow? It's just so good without being very invasive, which is exactly what I want in a highlighter. You guys know I'm not a super big on chunky highlighter, but I like this. I like this. It added just enough, just what I wanted. Perfect. Okay, the face is complete. Not gonna lie to you, I'm really digging the pink blush. That I surprised myself too. I'm usually literally just peach, 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 everything, but it's looking really, really pretty. So I'm just gonna set this with the Urban Decay All Nighter. And we can move on to the lips. For the lips, I'm just going to be lining with my Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in Endless Cacao. You guys know, we all know, this is amazing. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to be overlining as usual, but I'm not going to overline like the sides. I'm trying to just overline the little, like the top of my Cupid's bow and like right in the center of my lower lip. Trying new things. I usually overline everywhere because I have no lips, but we're going to test this. We're going to see how it works and we'll see if I like it. This is looking a little intense, but that's fine. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this and with a pencil as well to make sure that I'm precise. This is the e.l.f. Sheer Slick Lipstick in Dragon Fruit. It's pink. I never wear, I'm not really a bold lip person all the time. I'm mostly like more neutrals and I never wear pink. So we'll see how it goes. We'll see how I like it. I'm not sure. It might be like a little bit too much, like the eyes and the lips, but we'll see. Does this look good? Does this look remotely okay, or did I go overboard? Either way, I don't care. I like the lipstick. I like this shade of pink, actually. Like, it's not too light. It's just perfect, I feel like, right? I don't know how I feel about it with the eyes, though, to be completely honest with you. Now that I put it on, I feel like the eyes are pulling, like a bluey shift in the same way as the lipstick. It isn't that these two don't go together. It might just be a little too much for me, but I look at myself and I'm like, no, I like it. And then I look and I'm like, do I though? And it's like a back and forth. I'm not sure. Let me zoom you guys in and you can help me decide. Okay, here we are. I mean, you see what I mean? Like, the eyes are kind of pulling blue, the same as the lipstick, so it kind of goes together. I don't know, I dig it, but at the same time, I'm like, is this me? I don't hate it. I mean, it isn't super crazy like the color combo, or I didn't do anything super crazy. I'm on the fence. What do you guys think? Is this cool? I like the skin, the cheeks. Me being snatched, that's fun. I mean, I didn't even go like super snatched, but I like the pink blush. That is something new that I've grown to like. Maybe darker pink blush is my thing, not light pink blush, but I don't know, you guys. I look at myself, I'm not sure, but this was fun, right? Let me know, you guys, what you think, because I cannot make up my mind. So this was a little more challenging than I thought it was gonna be. You know, I never wear these colors, but this was so fun. I was really not expecting this, like, but I had a blast. I had a blast and, you know, revisited some products, tried some products out that I literally had never tried, like this eyeshadow. I'd never even touched it. So, you know, I love that I can make use of what I have. I recommend that every one of you tries to get out of your makeup comfort zone. You learn new things about yourself. You learn new things about your makeup style. Maybe you adapt some new things, leave some old ones behind. I think it's fun. I recommend everyone does it every once in a while just so that we don't get into a makeup rut. If you guys enjoyed, then as always, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. It helps helps me out a lot. And if you're into super easy and real makeup and beauty content like today's video, then please make sure to subscribe. It helps the channel grow and reach even more people, and you'd be getting new videos every single week. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you had as much fun as I did, and I hope to see you right here for my next one. Bye everybody. Mwah!